You're watching the Central Post. This is Samiksha Ajay. We often think government campaigns are about paperwork, forms, numbers, lists. But during the SIR process in Madhya Pradesh Mandsaur district, one such exercise ended 22-year wait of a mother who never stopped hoping. In Khilsipura Gram Panchayat of Mandsaur, an elderly woman named Ram Kanya Bai spent more than 2 decades asking just one question. Where is my son Vinod? In 2003, Vinod left home without informing anyone. A missing complaint was registered, and for nearly 15 years, the family searched villages, relatives, every possible lead. During this time, Vinod's father passed away, but there was still no information. And while time forced the world to move on, the mother didn't. And then came the SIR campaign, the Election Commission of India's special intensive revision meant to clean, verify, and update voter lists. During this process, a man living in Nagaur district of Rajasthan applied to add his name to the voter list. To complete the application, he was asked for one detail: his parents' EPIC number. It seemed routine, but that single request traveled back to his native village in Mandsaur. And when it reached the panchayat, it reached his mother. And when she heard about it, she knew that her son is alive. With trembling hands and a shaking voice, she approached Nayabadi police station and told the officers, "I don't know for sure, but I think my son Vinod is alive." What followed was not routine business. The police treated it not just as an application, but as a 22-year-old unanswered question. Under the supervision of Sub-Inspector Kuldeep Singh Rathore, police verified panchayat records, election office data, and made local inquiries. That's when the full picture emerged. Vinod had left the village 23 years ago after a love marriage. Because of family circumstances, he moved away without telling anyone. Over the years, he worked as a laborer and eventually settled in Nagaur, Rajasthan, where he now works as a school peon. Mandsaur police contacted him, and then came the moment that no document can describe. The son who left at 23 stood in front of his mother as a 45-year-old man. She held his hand tightly, almost afraid to let go. She folded her hands, softly clapped, and thanked the police, saying it felt like she had been given a new life. Vinod was emotional too. He shared that he has 2 children, a son and a daughter. His daughter is married now. He wants his mother to live with him now and promised to take care of her. Listen to his words.
मैं 2003 में गांव से चला गया था एक लड़की को लेके। मेरी मर्जी से दोनों राजी खुशी गए थे। 22 साल से राजस्थान में रह रहे थे और वहाँ काम कर रहे थे। अब आए हैं 22 साल बाद। पुलिस द्वारा मेरे माँ बाप का कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर मिला और मेरे मामा जी के नंबर मिले। बात करके पुलिस द्वारा मैं वापस मेरे परिवार से मिला हूँ।
कितने बच्चे हैं फिलहाल?
मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं। शादी हो चुकी, बच्ची की शादी हो चुकी है।
आपको अपने माता
बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है।
तो क्या
अभी फिलहाल तो वहाँ काम कर रहा हूँ। जाऊँगा, माँ चलेगी, माँ को ले जाऊँगा, नहीं तो आता जाता रहूँगा।
And the mother, she simply held his face and said, "You're back, and that's enough." Here's what she said.
राम कन्या बाई खिलचीपुरा, मेरा बेटा गुम गया था। 15 साल तक पता नहीं चला, खूब ढूंढा, मिला नहीं। कागज कढ़ाया पंचायत द्वारा, फिर मेरा पता चला। मंत्री साहब ने बोला कि आपका बेटा का फोन आया था, तो के किन्ने दीदा, तो करने दीदा था गुमसुम, तो कागज पहुंचाया, तो पता चला, तो कार्रवाई करी। तो एफसी साहब ने मदद करी, तो मेरा बेटा मेरे को मिल पाया। अच्छा लग रहा।
Later, members of the Dhangar community also thanked Mandsaur police, honoring their sensitive handling of the case.
विनोद ने उसकी पत्नी है पुष्पा, उससे प्रेम विवाह किया था, इसलिए वो घर से बिना बताए चला गया। तो एसआईआर के दौरान विनोद के इपिक नंबर्स की जानकारी चाहिए गई थी। इस लिंक को हमने फॉलो किया, तो विनोद वर्तमान में नागौर जिले के राजस्थान के नागौर जिले में निवासरत है। वहाँ उसका परिवार है और वहाँ उसने एसआईआर के दौरान अपने इपिक नंबर्स चाहे गए थे और पुलिस के द्वारा उसके परिवार को आज उसकी माता से मिलवाया गया है। बिल्कुल अभी विनोद उसकी माता के साथ रहेगा और उसने ये आश्वस्त किया है कि मैं अपनी माताजी का पूरा ध्यान रखूंगा।
This wasn't just a reunion. It was a reminder that when systems are implemented sincerely, police guides by empathy, and faith refused to fade, even 22 years don't feel impossible. In this case, SIR didn't just corrected records, it restored a family. Keep watching the Central Post for more.